Hi, and welcome to our course, How to Build an Indoor Garden for Cannabis, brought to you by Hempsville. Our lead grower, who has been growing over 15 years, has arranged this course to teach beginner gardeners how to build their own indoor garden. So I hope you enjoy and learn from our class. Subscribe to our YouTube and other social media channels to have access to a growing list of cannabis-related classes, tips, and more. I hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Welcome to Session 5, where I'll explain the importance of odor and airborne contaminant control for your indoor garden. I'll also review the options you have in order to keep your house smelling clean and your plants healthy. The main objectives of this session are to learn why you and your plants will benefit from odor and airborne contaminant control, what your options are for this, what is the best option, and where you can find the equipment for purchase. The necessity for odor and airborne contaminant control in your garden will vary, depending on what you are growing and how large you choose to make your garden, while odor control is needed to manage some plant odors from taking over your household. Not all gardeners need this. Airborne contaminants, on the other hand, can be a problem for your plants, your health, and your home. Let me first start with the health of your plants. The intake to your grow space should be feeding your plants with fresh, clean air, while the ventilation from your grow space should flush out unwanted oxygen. For your own health, on the other hand, airborne contaminant control helps to manage what is vented out of your grow space and into your home. These contaminants can also find themselves in your walls, creating another whole separate issue of concern. The carbon filter system addresses both these issues, scrubbing the air clean of any mold and other contaminants that can be hazardous to you, your family, and your plants. On the issue of odor, a carbon filter has the added benefit of cleaning any odors from the air as well. Otherwise, you may offer an odor neutralizing agent. Just make sure not to place the agent in or around the grow space, as it could neutralize the taste of your harvest. Odor neutralizing agents are beneficial because they are cheap and highly effective, but they also do not clean the air like a carbon filter would. It just bonds to the odor as smell and neutralizes it. The carbon filter is more beneficial because it serves the dual purpose of cleaning the air and neutralizing the smell. Despite being more expensive option of the two, regardless of the size of your garden, I still believe your best bet is a carbon filter. Even if you keep your garden squeaky clean, it's not worth the risk mold compose to your health, and some filter sizes vary, but get one that matches the size of your vent diameter and you should be okay generally. Click the link below to see the recommendations of which filter and vent fan combos are best for your growth space. So in review, odor and airborne contaminant control is important to both the health of your family and your plants. Carbon filters are the best bet despite being the more expensive option. For recommendations on which styles and brands to buy, can be found by clicking the link below. That wraps up Session 5 on odor and airborne contaminant control. In Session 6 I'll be discussing the need for a healthy airflow in your growth space, and what equipment is necessary to achieve this goal. I hope you found this session of the course How to Build an Indoor Garden useful. For more cannabis-related courses and recommendations from the best products out there for purchase, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please remember to like and share. Click here to skip to the next session, and as always, thank you for listening.